Hello, guys, and welcome to this evening's update on Cyclone Yaas. And you know, as we go out through time, I'm not going to show a whole lot of stuff with Yaas going forward because it is about to make landfall, and it'll be completely inland tomorrow. So this is probably the last full update on Cyclone Yaas. Um, First of all, I want to show you guys at least 3 minutes of footage captured from eyewitness reports that were inside Tropical Storm Yas. So without further ado, let's get that started. Alright, guys, you guys saw the footage there for you guys yourself. Destructive. This may have only been in some people's eyes only a category 1, but you guys saw the destruction that it was causing, whipping and blowing the palm trees, you know, all that stuff, the debris flying around. Um, you guys saw the tornadoes, and you just saw part of the fury that this had. So now that we got the raw footage out of the way, we're gonna go to particulars now. This is located 20.3 north, 87.8 east. Maximum sustained winds are 65 knots, which is 75 miles an hour. So it's just at the very start of a Category 1. Minimal central pressure is 974 millibars. So I would go over this other stuff, but it's about to go on land. But we will take a look at the infrared satellite here. As you can see, it's starting to creep its way inland now. I give it about 2 hours before this thing makes complete landfall. or another hour or two before or after. So I mean, who knows? This can make landfall anytime now, and as you can see, this thing is just rotating on in. You can see this cluster of heavy rain and thunderstorms here that is obviously containing strong gusty winds. We've seen water spouts and tornadoes. Uh, strong gusty winds. You guys saw all that. So this thing is making its final push inland right now as we speak. So please, take shelter, be mindful of the situation at hand, stay indoors, because like I said earlier, all it takes is a good push of wind indoors to really pop the roof off your place. Uh, so keep that in mind. If you guys have power, hopefully you guys are watching the news and paying attention to what they are saying. Um, you know, stay safe, and I from here on out, I may not be doing full. Like I said, I may not be doing full updates anymore on Yas, but I will give you guys some coverage of Yas still in my videos upcoming until this thing fully dissipates. So I'm not gonna forget about you guys just because it made landfall. I'm not like that. But with that being said, this thing is starting to make its push on land now. All right, so here is the GFS, and as you can see, this was initialized at 18Z, so this came out, a few hours ago, and this is showing a 970 millibar system that is pushing its way on land. We're not going to look at wind shear either. All right, so it makes landfall, and then the weakens down to 975, and then it starts to unravel after that pretty quickly. 987, bunch of rain, a little bit of wind, but mostly rain. 48 hours, it's falling apart now. And 72 hours, 3 days, it's completely gone. It's just a few, rain showers that India has to deal with. So hopefully, once this gets on land, it, quickly unravels and dies pretty quickly. That's what we're hoping for. Whether that's what we get, that's anybody's guess. But that is what the GFS has to say. So here is the European, and this was initialized at 12Z. So we didn't look at this one yet because we looked at the 0C earlier today. So this was initialized at 12Z today, which these runs usually come out around 2:30. So Eastern Daylight Time. So that's when this was initialized. So as you can see, the initialization here is 974 millibars. If we go 24 hours, as you guys know, it's going to be inland by now. It's like 978 millibars. And then it quickly starts to fall apart. 48 hours, 991. And then it's pretty much a done deal at 72 hours, the same as the GFS. Now, at 72 hours, the wind may be gone, but there's still going to be some rain showers to deal with in northeastern India. So please be mindful of that. Anybody that's going to be in that surrounding area in North India, you're definitely going to have a rainy day. That is for sure. All right, so this was not a long update because it's about to make landfall. Usually, I take a look at the wind shears to see surface temperatures, but seeing as this is making its final push inland, there's really no point looking over those at this current point in time. Anyways, I will have another short update about Yas tomorrow morning when I make my video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.